If you're an iPhone user and you want to get interactive lock screen widgets like this ones right here, you need to go to your app store and then search for this app right here, lock widgets, and then download it. After you open the app, this is how you're going to get the interface of it. So you can just choose to look through right here and see all the app launchers, and you can add them to your widgets right here and then go get it on your lock screen. So I'm just going to add this one right here. I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to tap on this side right here, set widget, and it's going to save successfully. So what you're going to do next is you go to your lock screen and then you try customize it, and I'm going to tap on customize, tap on this section right here, and then tap on this side to remove the widgets I already have right here. And then you scroll down right here and then you come to this side. You're going to see lock widget. You tap on it and you swipe to the left, and then you tap on this side right here, and then you tap on this one again, and then I'm going to add my Netflix right here. So you're going to see it popping up. You can choose to add the rest you've added. So I'm going to add messages right here, and when you add them right here, you tap on done, and after you are done, you can just close this, and then immediately you tap on the app right here. It's going to take you to the app directly without you even going inside of the app or coming inside of the home screen, because you probably might just unlock your phone this way and then you can just swipe down and then just tap on it. It takes you to the app directly. So this is one of the cool tricks you can try on your iOS device, and if it was helpful, just like it up and also share with your friends, and follow for more in case you haven't yet followed. Peace.